Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making custom wing end plates for the MRS. Okay, so we're going to be making custom wing end plates. The reason why we're doing this is because these end plates that I used on my last track day were bending inward when it was getting air running through it, and that is because of this lip here. These are supposed to be like upgraded end plates from 9 Lives, and yeah, I mean, they look cool, and supposedly they're an upgrade, but because of this bend here, it was severely caving in when we were catching air at high speed at the track. So what I'm going to do is I bought these pieces of carbon fiber. This is real carbon fiber. It's really light. I got it from Amazon Basics. You know, I got to support my locals. So what we're going to do is basically cut this out as a wing end plate. As you guys know, or obviously it doesn't have the bend that's here, so it shouldn't have the same effect that it did when I was on track. What we're going to do is basically, I already traced this out, and then I'm just going to cut it and see how it looks. And what we're going to do this is use this with a jigsaw. This is a, what is it called? I don't know, like a tungsten carbide bit. Yeah, it's a carbide grit type blade. I saw this on another YouTube tutorial, how to cut carbon fiber. We're going to be using like really long gloves and wearing a respirator because carbon fiber dust is not good for you. So yeah, we're going to be doing that and go from there. Don't really know what I'm doing, but that's usually how it always is with all these videos. Okay, so the first cut was successful. Here's my big brain setup. I'm clamping down a straight edge to guide. So I just like put the saw like that against it so it goes straight. And then I have my magnetic tray on the metal holding it down, and it's really sturdy, so yeah. So here are the end plates I just cut out. They're not perfect, but they're pretty good. I made sure to sand and round off the edges so it's not a lethal weapon. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw these on the car and see how they look. Okay, so here's the end result. They pretty much look like the old end plates that were bending inward. Supposedly these cuts make it more or less drag per the 9 Lives website, but I did want to remake them because I didn't like the little lip that it had at the end that was causing them to bend inward. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I might polish it out a bit because there are a little bit of scratches from working with it, but overall I think it turned out nice. These are the standard end plates that come with the wing. They're the square type, so these are a lot larger and have more intricate cutouts. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with the look, and excited to try it out on Sunday. Alright, just because I have a scale, let's go ahead and just do a before and after. So here's the original end plate. 10.4 ounces. Not like this would make a huge difference, but I just wanted to see. And 7.1 ounces. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. New end plates are now on the car, and we're going to try it out on our track day on Sunday. The weather looks like it's going to rain, so I'm not sure we're going to get any like PBs or anything, but I should be able to get a good idea of the balance of the car, or at least see if these bend inward or not. I'm going to bring the standard end plates to throw them on just in case something goes wrong with this, but yeah. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the look, and it wasn't too hard to do. I'll post a link to the carbon panels that I bought on Amazon, and if you guys want to take this on, you can go ahead and try out yourself. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.